equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of changing the plug and filter on your Rowenta appliance. This is a straightforward task that can enhance the performance of your device. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You will require a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, a new plug, and a replacement filter. Make sure you have these handy before we begin. First, ensure that your appliance is unplugged from the power source. Safety is paramount, so double-check that there's no electricity running through the device. Once confirmed, take your screwdriver and remove the screws from the back panel of the appliance. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components. Locate the existing plug connection. It's usually attached with 2 screws. Using your screwdriver, carefully unscrew these connections. If you find it difficult, a pair of pliers can help you grip the wires more securely. Now, let's replace the plug. Take your new plug and connect the wires to the corresponding terminals. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, brown is live, blue is neutral, and green or yellow is earth. Once connected, secure the screws tightly to ensure a solid connection. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, we'll move on to the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the water tank or at the base of the appliance. Remove the old filter by pulling it out gently. It's essential to clean the area where the filter sits to prevent any debris from affecting the new filter's performance. A soft cloth or a small brush can be handy for this task. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. This step is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your appliance. After replacing the filter, take a moment to clean any dust or residue inside the appliance. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device. Once everything is in place, reattach the back panel of the appliance using the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is secure before plugging the appliance back in. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Finally, plug in your Rowenta appliance and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Thank you for following this tutorial, and enjoy the improved performance of your Rowenta appliance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.